Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Get ready with me, new episode. I'm gonna share with you a very beautiful and crazy hack with this beautiful silk saree, because silk is always fashion. And here there has been a surge of interest in saree among the Gen Z. So if you want to hear from your Gen Z friend, oh, you are looking so beach, because beach is feminine. So I'm gonna note this point, the central part of the saree. So just want to secure this. Yeah, this side, right side, and this left side. So now I'm gonna pleat this right side. This side, basically this part is pallu. So just pleat this. So I hope that you can clearly understand. This side the pleat is ready. This front open still. Just like in, you have to tuck this pleat side in your back side. Yeah, so your back side, this part is still here. So the same way I'm gonna pleat this part again. So now I'm gonna tuck this part in front of this. So yeah, in my front side, at the pleats. Oh my god, I'm gonna share with you my second style. So here what I'm doing, that is just open this front pleated side just like pallu in traditional way. Yeah, so like this. Yeah, that's it. And look at this draping. So today I am done. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye. See you again in my next video.